kiss you dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?
Hey guys, my name is Hannah. Welcome to my channel, Hannah Living Bliss Point 2. So today I'm gonna vlog and just take you guys with me as we homemake. It's me and Sarah today. I'm going to make some bread for sure. I'm gonna film a couple videos, a Q&A, and a couple other things. And also just try to figure out something for dinner that's good. And we're also probably gonna go take a little walk and just hang out. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep watching, and I will see you in a minute. I moved it and it like went to the side, but it's really starting to bubble up, which is great. So I'm going to start to make the dry ingredients and mix that all together. Gonna refill the hummingbird feeder real quick. So I'm gonna boil 3 parts water and 1 part sugar. You don't have to use that red stuff they give you. I believe this is better and easier because you have it in your house. Water and sugar. You can see the hummingbird feeder right out there. It needs to be refilled because it rained last night. I know my window's filthy. I should clean the window today too.
Get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can stick. I wanna change your thing. Without you, everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning.
So we just came in from playing outside for a little bit. I let Sarah water the flower bedding area. And our Walmart delivery just came, and this was like the household items with the exception of a few things. And we got some Easter eggs too. This will all be featured in another video, a grocery haul video. But I'll just give you guys a quick little overview. We just got like garbage bags, Easter eggs, some wax melts, and some paper products, cat litter, things like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to kneading some of the bread and try to get that in the oven and figure out a dinner plan.
Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's
blushing. Give you a sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching.